Hi, what's up, XRP holder? It is game over, my brother. You know why? Because, my brother, especially XRP will take a very huge jumps, very bad fails. Therefore, my friend, everybody is confused now to what they do, my friend. But today I have in this video especially good news is for all of you, my brothers. Two good news is. Let's see, my brother. First good news is then, my brothers, to congratulations to XRP will starting moving upward now. As you can see here, from last 24 hours, 0.62% the price is increased now, and I am so happy to see this. And the current condition is also going to be very good now. Last 1 hour, you can see here 0.14% they will moving upward now. So congratulations all of you to they will starting moving upward now. Let's predicate this coin, my brother, and after prediction I will give you, my friend, the second good news is now. So this time, as you can see, my friend, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and this chart, as you can see here, completely fails down. So it's mean to they are losing now. But remember, my brothers, to after or lost, every time frequency will take a very huge jump now and completely go in the moon. So therefore, my brother, the arrows at the end, my friend, will moving upward now. So I know to upcoming time the future is going to be bright now. So XRP holder, you just only need to hold it. And if you have any plan to buy more, so I think these days is going to be very good now. So buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. Especially, I'm 100% sure to at the end of month they will take a very huge jump now. So my brother, a lot of holders starting selling because he said to this coin is going in the garbage now, and absolutely they will completely go, the price will come to zero now. But absolutely you are completely wrong, my brother, because this is short fares, and I definitely, my friend, they cannot defend, my friend, the total average. So absolutely I know, my brothers, to upcoming time the future is going to be bright. I expect these, my friends, to they will moving up for now. Let's see to what they do. But kindly please, if you follow ABS Tech channel, 10,000 people subscribe this channel, so it's mean to they are trusting on ABS Tech channel. So kindly, if you also, my friend, want information videos updates, so kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.